This video is going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your To Kill a Mockingbird character. Hey everyone, Mr. W here. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is pair up with someone, if you haven't already, and choose one of these 5 characters to create your Facebook page for. Now, there's little character biographies next to each name on the assignment sheet. And me and Mr. BG are going to choose Atticus Finch. So, in order to set up my Facebook page, I need to go to Google Docs, go to My Collections, and click on the To Kill a Mockingbird Facebook Docs, which I have shared with you. So once you're there, you're going to want to click on Facebook Template. Okay, and once you open that up, it's going to pop up this little Facebook template for you. And the first thing you're going to do is go over to File and left click on Make a Copy. You will want to press OK. And it should make a copy of the Facebook template. Now, as you can see over here, it says Copy a Facebook Template. That way you know it's your copy, and once you have your template copied, you're going to want to rename it. So you left click on Rename under File, and first you're going to want to rename the document your character's name, so Atticus Finch in this case. Your block, so for me and Mr. BG, we're just going to name an F block just to keep things simple for you guys. And then your group's names, your partner's name, you and your partner's name. So Mr. W and Mr. BG. Okay, and after you've got your character's name, your block, and both your names, you're going to press OK. Renamed that right up there. Now, unfortunately, you cannot enter text into this template directly. Like, you can't click on it and enter text. So once you click on it, it selects the entire template. So you're going to need to create a text box corresponding to the numbers of each criteria. So as you can see, the first one is a picture of your character. We'll do that one a little bit later. That's number 1. Number 2, your character's full name. So that number 2 right there, your character's full name, corresponds with the number 2 on the template. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Insert, Text Box, overlay it over the number 2, and we chose Atticus Finch. So you're going to want to type in character's name, Atticus Finch, enter, and as you can see, there's a text box created over that, and it's looking a little bit nice. So, okay, number 3, your character's network, or simply Maycomb County. So Atticus Finch, in the bio it says he's from Maycomb County. So go over to text box, and my character's network is going to be Maycomb County. Atticus Finch's. Okay, relationship status. Number 4, it's also on the sheet. All the characters are single, so there's no reason why you would put married in here. So go insert text box, single, enter, birthday. It's never specifically mentioned, but we do know character's age approximately. In the bio, it says that Atticus is nearly 50. So I'm just going to put in 48, 49. It's not a huge deal, just so long as you and your partners know that he's around 50. So I'm going to write 48, enter. Okay, hometown. Character bio says he is a lawyer from Maycomb, Alabama. That's where all the characters are from. So insert text box, Maycomb, Alabama, enter. Okay, now things are going to be getting a little bit tricky right here. We have number 7. Number 7, it's the map. You need to insert your character's location. And So you're going to want to go to Insert, click on Shapes, and choose any shape to pinpoint your character's location. Now, Alabama is in the southern part of the United States. I hope you guys know that. I'm sure you guys do. So you go over to Insert Shape. You can click on any of these shapes you want in here. Okay? I'm going to go to Callouts, click on this shape, and I'll go over the southern part of the United States. And you can change the color of your pinpoint. I'm going to choose it red. There we go. So that's where I am right now. Okay, number 8, friends and other networks. Okay, now as we start reading the story, you're going to want to update this every single journal entry. We can get into that later. But you're going to want to be inserting a text box in there with your character's friends and update it each chapter. So, Atticus Finch, we can go over that later. We'll go over that later. Okay, so 9, groups. Your character's family. Now, we know from the bio that Atticus is the father of both Scout and Gem. Scout Finch and Gem Finch. So we can go over here. We can already update this information because it's provided in the character bio. Scout Finch. Enter. And we're going to want to insert another text box. Gem Finch. Enter. Okay. Now you're also going to update this every single journal entry too if any more family it becomes known of Atticus Finch. Okay, so number 10. We got your character's education. Should be the same as number 3, their network. Say I was doing Gem or Scout, I would put in the Macomb County School. In this case, Atticus Finch is a lawyer, as it mentions in the biography. So I can just write in lawyer, comma, Macomb County. Enter. Okay. And finally, you're going to want to post a picture as your character status, or you can type in a sentence of your character. You're going to need to do this for your homework. Vocab, it's explained in your homework too. We'll go over that later in another video. And the last thing you're going to do is find a picture of your character and delete the default photo. So as you can see, number 1 right here, it says photo not available. You're going to want to delete that. Then you're going to want to open up a new tab. Go up in the Google search box. You can simply go to Flickr. You can go to Google Images. Type in your character's name. I'm going to go to Google Images, and there is a plethora, meaning many, pictures of Atticus Finch. And choose whichever one you want as your Facebook default profile, or your Facebook profile picture. Like this one right here. So I can just save that to my desktop. I'll say that Atticus. Save. Okay, and the cool thing about Google Docs, you can just go over to insert image, and you can just simply drag the image into your presentation. So I got that. I'm going to resize that, stick it over here into the profile picture section, and there we go. That is how to just create a basic Facebook page for you and your partner's character.